Hello my dear friends, welcome back to CSIR at Home. In this video, we can discuss the timetable for this week. 5 to 6 a.m. Principles of Gene Regulation. Leininger. Which book to refer? Leininger. Then 6 to 7 a.m. Biosynthesis of abscisic acid. Book to refer? Tace and Sagar. 9 to 10 a.m. Affinity chromatography. Wilson and Walker. 10 to 11 a.m. Negative and positive regulation, operons. Then 11 to 12 p.m. study epistasis. Which book to refer? Gardner. 3 to 4 p.m. study lag operon, negative regulation, Leininger. 4 to 5 p.m. pleiotropy, Gardner. 6 to 7 p.m. functions of ABA. 7 to 8 p.m. study previous year question. Okay, work on the previous year question, that is 2020 shift 2. Then 9 to 11 p.m. prepare short notes and revise. Then 9th day morning functions of ABA. 6 to 7 a.m. DNA binding domains. Which book to refer? Leininger. 9 to 10 a.m. sex-linked genes in humans. Gardner. 10 to 11 a.m. affinity chromatography. Different types, okay? Study different types of affinity chromatography. Book to refer? Wilson and Walker. 11 to 12 p.m. DNA binding domains. For example, helix turn, helix, zinc finger, homeodomain, etc. Okay? Which book to refer? Leininger. Then 3 to 4 p.m. epistasis with examples. Benjamin. Epistasis. Then 4 to 5 p.m. study cellular and molecular modes of ABA action. 6 to 7 p.m. dosage compensation of X-linked genes. Gardner. Then 7 to 8 p.m. work on the previous year question, that is 2020 shift 2. Then 9 to 11 p.m. prepare short notes and revise. 5 to 6 a.m. transcription attenuation basics. 6 to 7 a.m. ABS signaling. 9 to 10 a.m. gas chromatography, Wilson and Walker. 10 to 11 a.m. question practice, Gardner, page number 108. 11 to 12 p.m. TRP operon, tryptophan operon. 3 to 4 p.m. lag operon positive regulation. 4 to 5 p.m. biosynthesis of ethylene. Then 6 to 7 p.m. genetics of coat color in dogs. 7 to 8 p.m. inhibitors of ethylene biosynthesis. Then 9 to 11 p.m. prepare short notes and revise. Day 11, 5 to 6 a.m. functions of ethylene. 6 to 7 a.m. gas chromatography. Then 9 to 10 a.m. combined effect of glucose and lactose on expression of the lag operon. 10 to 11 a.m. functions of ethylene. Then 11 to 12 p.m. molecular exclusion chromatography. Then 3 to 4 p.m. sex influenced and sex limited characteristics. 4 to 5 p.m. list of enzymes involved in plant hormones. You have studied the synthesis of plant hormones, ABA and ethylene. Now just list out the enzymes involved in plant hormones and just study once again. Then 6 to 7 p.m. transcriptional attenuation in the TRP operon. Then 7 to 8 p.m. previous year question, that is 2020 B part shift 2. Then 9 to 11 p.m. prepare short notes and revise. Then day 12 morning study transcriptional attenuation in the TRP operon. 6 to 7 a.m. study light microscope, that is methods. Okay. Then 9 to 10 a.m. study cellular and molecular modes of ethylene action. 10 to 11 a.m. electron microscope. 11 to 12 p.m. study SOS response in Escherichia coli. Then 3 to 4 p.m. study cytoplasmic inheritance. This one is an important topic. Cytoplasmic inheritance. Study it from Benjamin. Then 4 to 5 p.m. study, this is an example, okay, variegation in 4 o'clock plants, okay. That is the example of cytoplasmic inheritance. Study this one. Then 6 to 7 p.m. again the work on the previous year questions, that is 2020 shift 2. Then 7 to 8 p.m. this one is a graph that is showing the comparison of the growth of the shoot and root of normal versus ABA deficient maize plant. Just observe this one and study. Then 9 to 11 short notes, prepare short notes and revise. Day 30, 5 to 6 a.m. functions of ABA and ethylene. There are so many functions of ABA and ethylene. Just list out those things, okay. Then 6 to 7 a.m. stringent response in Escherichia coli. Then 9 to 10 a.m. study genetic maternal effect. Then 10 to 11 a.m. revise operons. 11 to 12 p.m. study the shell coiling of a snail. This one is an important topic. The shell coiling of snail. Sinistral and dextral. Okay. 3 to 4 p.m. regulation of flagellin genes in Salmonella. Then 4 to 5 p.m. question practice from Gardner. Then 6 to 7 p.m. ethylene signaling. Then 7 to 8 p.m. previous year question, that is 2020 shift 2. Then 9 to 11 p.m. prepare short notes and revise. Then day 14 morning revise abscisic acid. Then 6 to 7 a.m. revise ethylene. 9 to 10 a.m. revise methods, that is gas chromatography, affinity chromatography, molecular sieve exclusion chromatography, light microscope, electron microscope, etc. Okay, revise those things. Then 10 to 11 a.m. revise genetics. Then 11 to 12 p.m. operons, previous year questions, work on the previous year questions on operons. Then 3 to 4 p.m. study genetics and solve the questions from previous year questions. Okay. Then 4 to 5 p.m. work on the previous year questions on plant hormones. Then 6 to 7 revise previous week. Okay. Then what you have studied in the previous week. Just revise these things from 6 to 11 p.m. If you like this timetable, please subscribe and like. Okay, thank you.